Here comes the sun. Another beautiful day in Baja, California. Today is March the 22nd, 2023.
They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown, but I'm too curious for that. Might be a little crazy, I don't mind. I like the way it feels. No need to set off the alarm. No. See, I won't stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone. Oh.
Good morning, crafty travelers. Look at the sunrise behind me. Bahia De Los Angeles, we say adios to this morning and head west and north to Vicente Guerrero, where we have parked before on the way down. There's a restaurant, we're having dinner. We're only going to be there one night, and then we will continue north to Ensenada and stay at Clam Beach for 3 nights. So stay tuned for our travels today. It's a 200-mile trip. Thanks for watching. Alright, trace the road we're going on today. Up that road and then up all the way to Vicente Guererro, right there. Over 200 miles today. Terry's warming up and backing off the blocks. Saying bye-bye to Bahia De Los Angeles. The sunrise over the bay, and we're about ready to pull out of our site. Here's another one of those pesky military checkpoints. We didn't have to stop. Our wagon masters always stop first, and Carol gives them a bag of cookies and a note saying thank you for your service and letting them know that there are 22 rigs behind them, and they just let us go. Well, we're stopping for lunch, for half circling the wagons to stop for a break for lunch. I'll show you where we are. We came up the road from the valley down there. Pretty little spot, it's kind of windy, a little breezy. And we've got everybody lined up. We got 3 rows back here. Our first break of the day. Here's our lineup. Terry's rig, and we're going all the way down, and there's another line on the other side. And there's the rest of the group down there, and behind them you can see a rig behind the lady in the green jacket. 22 rigs. Pacific Ocean is on our left, back over on the west coast. There's John, directing traffic. Better move, John. Don't want to run you over. Well, we're back at the campground we were a week ago, Vicente Guererro area, and we're still getting the rigs in. They're still coming in the campground. And they're backing in there. We'll be able to have water and power. Probably not sewer, but that's okay. We don't really need it tonight. We're only here one night. And we'll eat at the restaurant again tonight. As we're looking up, I know, we have sheep across the way. It's strawberry margarita time after that long drive. And Terry and Jen and Peg all have their strawberry margaritas. Mexican combo with chile relleno, enchilada, quesadilla, beans and rice, and a roll. Terry got ribs. You've eaten those for days. Irene got ribs. Peggy got ribs. And Jen has the chicken platter. All looks yummy. Well, if you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Thanks for watching.